Hello and welcome to the Crypto Culture Crew. My name is Sam. This is CCC Weekly, episode 10, where we go over all things that are happening in the crypto space. So let's get right into it. It's been about a week and a half since I've done my last video. Since then, we've had all-time highs in Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the market cap. So the market right now is looking extremely bullish. It's a great time to be in the crypto space. And me personally, I'm just really trying to continue to learn and educate myself on all things crypto. Specifically, right now I'm focusing on learning more about DeFi, yield farming, and crypto gaming. These are very small, well, DeFi is not small, but as far as crypto gaming, I believe it's going to be a big thing. And I want to be on the forefront of learning about these sectors and what projects may become mainstream in those areas. And speaking about, crypto gaming and metaverse, Facebook has changed their name from Facebook to Meta because they are really focusing on the metaverse, which is, virtual world that they're really trying to build out and create. So again, it's just another signal that cryptocurrency is here and it's here to stay. Facebook is embracing it. I believe we'll soon hear that they've been working on their own cryptocurrency for a while, so I'm sure they'll be rolling that out along with a wallet, along with a metaverse with NFTs. I expect them to at some point say that they're holding or buying Bitcoin on their balance sheet, which would be extremely bullish. Other large Fortune 500 companies will then feel more comfortable holding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on their balance sheet, which is just really bullish on the space and leads me to my next point, which is the current market cap. We're at all-time highs for market cap. We're sitting at about almost 2.6 trillion, 2.65 trillion. So there's a lot of money coming into the space, and I expect more to come in, and we'll need more to come in if we're going to continue to rise in the value of the crypto space. Now, what I'm looking at here is just, this was back in May when we had a nice all-time high in Bitcoin. We got up to 2.5 trillion, and right now I believe we're at 2.65 trillion. So we are all-time highs, a lot of money coming in. We need more money to come in to further move up, the space. I do believe we will at least double to go to 5 trillion market cap before the end of this bull run. So we'll see how that ends up shaking out. And now some of the things that I'm looking to get into as far as DeFi. I'm going to be using Curve probably to expand and learn a little bit more about DeFi. I'm going to be trying to do yield farming with Solana. So there's a lot of different things that I really want to try to get into. So I've been trying to learn. I've been on Clubhouse a lot. Shout out to Crypto CE, a Clubhouse room that has just given me a ton of information, especially when it comes to DeFi. Shout out to Cam, he's helped me a lot. Bitcoin is king. Also, his name is Chris. Really, really smart guy. He does a lot of trading and TA stuff. And, and Alex, they've all been really helpful. So if you're on Clubhouse, check them out. They have a lot of good information in their rooms. Give them a shout out, give them a follow. So that's pretty much, what I've been focusing on. Looking at gaming again. This is one of the games that are Starlast games that's out there. So I'll be doing more research on that, trying to figure out what's going on in this space. And yeah, so let's take a quick look now at what's going on with the top. I like to take a look at the top 10, see what's going on with cryptocurrencies. Right now, Bitcoin's sitting at about 62,000, which is off its all-time high of 66,000. Ethereum hit its all-time high last week of about 4,400, and it's still hovering around there. So I do expect more bullish movement from Ethereum. Binance, number 3 right now, has had a good week, 10% up. Cardano has been very stagnant. I don't expect much movement from them until probably like the end of this year. Smart contracts just rolled out, and they really haven't had too much news or rollouts. They still don't have a DEX, a decentralized exchange. So until those things are built out on the platform, I expect Cardano to be, very flat. Which, if you haven't been investing, would probably be a good time to get in because again, you want to get into these projects early or while they're, flat or down versus when they're in the green and they're moving up. Solana, This platform I'm really bullish on. I'm going to be using it to do my yield farming and things like that because of the low gas fees. I like Ethereum, but because of the high gas fees, I'm just not going to use it. So I will be using Solana to do yield farming. They're probably going to pass Cardano this week as far as market cap. They're at 61 billion, and Cardano's at 65 billion. So we'll probably see that happen in the next couple days. XRP still got the lawsuit going on. They're probably not going to move too much until that lawsuit is settled with the SEC. Polkadot, extremely bullish on Polkadot. They have their parachain auctions, I believe, November 12th. The price has already gone up pretty good over the past month. I expect a lot more as these parachains auctions come out because you have to lock your Polkadot if you want to offer it for the parachain auction. So it's going to lower the supply of Polkadot and the price should rise as well. And the last two, the meme coins, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Shiba's had a crazy run over the past few weeks. It's up 87% in the past 2 days, in the past week. And it actually brought Dogecoin up. Dogecoin was sitting around 21 cents and 22 cents. Now it's at 27 cents. So a lot of new people are getting into Shiba Inu, and I hope it keeps on rising and make a lot of money, and that they stay in the crypto space and they start venturing out into other projects and protocols and things like that. So last but not least, let's take a look at our portfolio. Let's see how we're doing. This is our dollar cost averaging portfolio. We're doing $100 every week just to see how to build the portfolio out and see where it ends up landing. So right now, let's take a look at some of our stats. We've got about $1,500 in there. We've been doing this for about, I don't know, maybe 12, 13 weeks now. Our biggest performer is Ethereum, up 31%, $125. And overall, we're up 26%, $325. When we were making this portfolio, I really wanted to keep it centered around Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Cardano because those were the top three at the time. And I just wanted to make sure we had exposure in the higher market cap coins. And I also sprinkled in some lower market cap coins like Phantom and Solanium, which have actually had the highest return, 77% for Phantom and 151% for Solanium. Again, the lower market caps are going to have higher risk, but as you can see, they've performed very well in our portfolio. So you can kind of see how that works. So today, we're going to continue to dollar cost average. So I think we kind of missed last week, so we'll do $200 this week to kind of just even it out. So I'm actually going to add Solana because, again, I like Solana. It's probably going to be in the top three very soon. So let's get some exposure there. We'll do 0.75 Solana, so about $150. We'll add that. And the last $50, we'll do 25 Ethereum and 25 Bitcoin. At some point, I will stop dollar cost averaging into, some of these things, especially as the market rises. But right now, I do like Ethereum where it's at about 4,000. I do think it will at least double, possibly triple before this bull run is over. Bitcoin will more than likely double, probably around 100, 120 before it's over. So I'll still go ahead and dollar cost average into that as well. So now we're sitting at about 1,700 in our portfolio, and yeah, we'll just keep on dollar cost averaging and checking out what our returns are. That's it for this video. If you stayed this long, thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.